What are you doing? You're supposed to de-escalate. How is this de-escalating? How the fuck is this de-escalating, dog? What are you doing? What's your badge number? Badge number, bitch. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why is he under arrest? Why is he under arrest? He did nothing. He did nothing for this.
Why are you putting your hands on me? Why?
How?
From what? From what? From what?
Watching that cart's not enough for you?
No, I'm not.
Watching that shopping cart's not enough for you?
What? Why is he obstructing?
No, you escalated the situation. You escalated the situation and you made this happen. It's clear. It's clear as day. You escalated the situation. It's two people having a conversation with each other and you decided to escalate the situation by shoving him.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. I didn't touch him. I didn't touch him.